Hi folks, well obviously there's a little something wrong here with this picture. Out doing the 4S trials with the GepRC 2306-2750 kV motor, and just on the very first flight, unfortunately either I hadn't tightened it down enough, well obviously I hadn't tightened it down enough, or the torque loosened it. About halfway through the first flight on 4S, the prop hammered the throttle, and I guess the prop came loose. Initially I thought that maybe I'd smoked the motor or the speed controller, but they both seem fine. So anyway, yeah, not so great. But I definitely did notice an increase in power between this motor and the Emax 2306-2750 that I was running before. I actually saw a bit more torque roll, and I actually saw some zooming. So we're definitely getting more speed. I took a picture of the GPS data logger, and I think it's kind of blurry, but I put it in at the start of this video anyway. 98.8 miles per hour, which is faster, a couple miles an hour faster than what I saw. The best I saw with the 2306-2750 on 4S, the Emax motor. So I definitely think this GepRC's got potential. I checked, because I was worried that I'd toasted the motor or the speed controller. I checked those on landing. The motor was warm. It's about 18 degrees Celsius here today. The speed controller was actually okay. It wasn't, it was a bit warm, but nothing too worrisome. So I don't think, because I want to keep with the speed, I don't think I'm going to bother trying to repair this one. I'll just strip the components out of it and build another one. And yeah, just I might actually make it, see if I can't make it like maybe a percentage smaller, shave a little bit more down off the size, see if that helps out with the drag. Fortunately, all the components, all the servos and everything are still working just fine. Motor's working just fine, so no problems there. So yeah, so I think that this setup is got really good potential to get us over the 100-mile-an-hour mark. Just gotta build a new plane, get that set up. So anyway, yeah, so that sort of ends the speed testing on this plane for a little while, but hopefully we'll get another airframe built here before too much longer and get going back with it. So yeah, these things happen. It's all part of aviation. So anyway, thanks very much for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, and I will keep you updated as I get started on the next build here to get ourselves to 100 miles an hour with a quad racing motor in a park jet on 4S. So take care.